in today's video, we are going to be discussing about an interesting topic in mathematics, which is square 1.0. In today's video, we would be discussing about what is a square, some tips simplified, and then we are going to apply our learnings. What is a square? The squared symbol term is an arithmetic operator that signifies multiplying number by itself. The square is indicated by the symbol x square. In words, x square or x to the power of 2 is the same. For example, 5 square can be represented as 5 multiplied by 5. What is the value of 7 square? Well, 7 square can be represented as 7 multiplied by 7, which is equal to 49. Let's try. Can you guys solve 63 square in just 10 seconds? Well, friends, your time starts now. If anybody got the right answer, then just comment below. Time's up, friends. Did anyone get the right answer? Was it possible in just 10 seconds? Well, let's see the answer first. The answer is 3969. Now, many of you guys might have a question. I was not able to do it in 10 seconds. Is it possible? Is there any tricks? Well, there is a trick, friends. We can do it in just 10 seconds. There were shortcuts identified by a veteran mathematician that we are going to see shortly. Tips to remember. Find the value of 63 square. Basically, before we go into the question, we have to understand a simple term. What is a base number? In our case, the base number is 6, 3. Well, how did I get it? Well, let's go back to the question here. 6 and 3 are in the base form while the 2 is in the form of exponents or power. So it is already said that we need to know what is the base number. That is why we are considering 6, 3 as a base number in our question. So let's go back to the question. Now the first step to find the square is we have to square each base number. So the base numbers are 6, 3. According to our first step, we have to square each base number separately. So 6 square is 36 and 3 square is 9. Well, here we know that 3 square is 9, but why have I added a 0 before 9? All might have a question. Why? Well, when we square a two-digit number, we always wanted to have a two-digit number as our answer. That is why I'm adding a 0 before 9. And then let's go to the second step. Our second step is we have to multiply the base numbers into 2. So 6 multiplied by 3 are the base numbers. So 6 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2, it is equal to 36. And then our third step is we have to add the results as follow. So this would be our third step. 3609 would be written as it is. And remember friends, here is an important rule here. Always you have to have a 0 in the ones place. This is very mandatory, friends. Please do not forget to add a 0 in the ones place. Always when you're finding a square of any number, let it be 2-digit or 3-digit or 4-digit. It does not matter, but you always have to have a 0 in the ones place. And then you can add the multiplied base number value here in the hundreds and the 10th place. Okay friends, please do not forget to add a 0 in the ones place. So always we have to add a 0 in the ones place, and then we are going to substitute the 3 and 6 in the hundreds and the 10th place. Now we're going to add the result. So it is equal to 3969. So 63 square is equal to 3969. You may check the answer in a calculator and I'm sure the answer is correct. Now, we found the value of 63. Let's try another question. Find the value of 78 square. Well, obviously the first step is we have to identify the base number. The base number in this case is 7, 8. Right, friends? Because 7 and 8 are in the base form while the 2 is in the power of exponent. So the first step would be we have to square each base number separately. 7 square is 49 and 8 square is 64. And then the second step is we have to multiply the base numbers into 2. In our case, it is 7, 8 are the base numbers. So 7 multiplied by 8 multiplied by 2 is equal to 112. Obviously, the third step is we have to add the following result. So this is step 3. 7964 will be written as it is, and then do not forget to add a 0 in the ones place. Please do not forget it. If you do not add a 0 in the ones place, then your answer is wrong. So please do not forget it, friends. Always you have to add a 0 in the ones place. Now 4964 plus 0, always do not forget to add a 0 here, and then you write the result as it is here, and then you add the two numbers which is equal to 6084. So 78 square is equal to 6084. Thank you, friends, and I will visit you with another video square 2.0. Until then, goodbye, friends. If you like our video, please do subscribe to Chutti Mithran channel and press the bell icon to get immediate notification on our new videos. Please do like, share your valuable comments in the comment box below. Thank you and have a great day, friends.